I am Ferdinand Marcos, and I am the President of the Republic of the Philippines. I stand today on behalf of 110 million Filipinos.
Hi everyone! Hello Universe! It's me again. Shoutout sa inyo mga kababayan. Ito mayroon na naman tayo guys. Another good news for everybody. Sa panahon ni Pangulong Marcos Jr., ang dami talagang magagandang nangyayari. Diba? O ito, nakatanggap na naman ang Pilipinas ng isang award. OM goes. Iba talaga si PBBM. Pati yung sa pera natin, nakatanggap tayo ng award sa international dahil napakaganda yung pera natin. O ito na naman mga kababayan, napansin ang isang apps ng Pilipinas. Talagang maganda ito, Beshwa. O ito, tingnan nyo ito guys sabi ng PCO. Nahuli na naman ako pero kailangan ko i-upload ito. Sabi dito mga kababayan, ayan DICT's e-governance wins global award as a Philippines Advanced Public Service Delivery. Ang ganda Ay, talaga naman matindi ito guys. Yung yung apps na e-gov, naku talaga, biro nyo wala pang wala pang 3 taon, 4 na taon, tingnan nyo, katanggap ka agad ng award. Oh my goodness, congratulations Pilipinas. Sabi nito mga besa, the Philippines government's efforts to modernize public services have earned international praise with 2 digital platforms, eGov Philippines Super App and eGovernment Data Exchange Platform. Ayan, eGov DX or eGov DX winning top honors at the 2025 Gov Media Awards in Singapore. Galing talaga ng bagong administration ni Pangulong Marcos Jr. Bagong administration ng Pilipinas, which is ang Marcos administration. Ang galing ay sabi sa inyo pag magaling talaga ang Pangulo, ito po ang laging resulta. Congratulations sa atin guys magandang apps ito ay Mgos. Yan po yung award natin kung nakikita nyo dito mga kababayan. Ayan Gov Media Award 2025. Yan Mgos. Ayan yung award natin. You see, nakatanggap ng award sa ibang bansa. Saan kayo? Para kompleto, detalyado mga besa, basahin po natin nga ng buo. Sabi dito, DICT's e-governance wins global awards as Philippines Advanced Public Service Delivery. Itong ilang araw lang nakaraan guys. June 24, 2025, nahuli ako yan. Saan kayo makikita niyan? Sabi dito mga beswa, ayan shoutout sa mga Marcos Loyalist supporters, Filipino and OFW. Shoutout sa mga OFW sa Singapore. The Philippines government's efforts to modernize public service have earned international praise with 2 digital platforms, eGov Philippines Super App and eGov DC winning top honors. Honors at 2025 Gov Media Awards in Singapore. Saan kayo makakita niyan? BBM talaga ang sakalam. And of course, kudos doon naman sa DICT mga kababayan. The awards highlights the country progress in fulfilling President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. directed to bring government closer to the people through secure, user-friendly digital tools. Yan, i-download nyo na po yan, Maganda ito, mga kababayan. Ay, ang Pangulo talaga, ang daming nakikitang paraan para gumanda ang Pilipinas. Grabe talaga itong Pangulo na ito. Ginagalingan mo, Mr. President, kaya na marami nagagalit sa iyo. The President has framed digitalization not only as a tools for convenience, but also as a critical weapons against inefficiency, corruption, and red tape, hallmarks of public prostration, faster digital services. He noted also unlock faster planning, more reliable data, and better government coordination. Tuloy, the eGov Philippines of Super App consolidates services like ID access, travel, ayan, health, and public safety into one platform with more than 130 million transactions and over 12 million users. O guys tangkilikin natin yung sariling atin. O, simple lang yan, pero napapansin sa buong mundo, mga kababayan. O, eGov Super App. Oh, wow. Kudos naman doon sa ating DICT and of course guys sa Marcos administration. Sabi po dito guys, the e-government data exchange, ayan, a platform or eGov DX processed more than the 500 million transaction and integrates over 1,000 government services. The ICT Undersecretary David Almirol Jr. emphasized that the goals is not just efficiency but visibility. People needs to feel that the government is working for them, he said. That means faster service, zero lines, and more transparency. He added, the recognition abroad is a reminder that we're heading in the right direction. Yes, nasa magandang kamay ang bansang Pilipinas ngayon under the leadership of our visionary President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Ooh. But the real reward is when citizens stop lining up at 4 a.m. when the services they need comes straight to their phones, and when they truly feel that their government is working for them. Oh, you see mga besya, the core of this transformation is the national ID system now covering 85% of Filipinos, which help ensure security and identity verification across all services. As both platforms gain traction, the ICT is calling on all agencies to integrate their services into the ecosystem. The job isn't done, Almirol said. This is about building a government that works better for every Filipino every day. Oh, diba guys? Sabi po ng Presidential Communication Office. Wow na wow. Saan kayo makakita niyan? Si PBBM lang ang sakala, mga kababayan. Yan ang sinasabi natin. Ay, naka. Sana all. Iba talaga ang nagagawa ng ngayon guys ang social media, ang mga teknolohiya. Ayan po yung award natin natanggap. Grabe dalawa pala. Di kayo naloka, pinag-isa na lang So para sa ating mahal na Pangulo and of course sa ahensya ng DICT, congratulations po, and siyempre sa mamamayang Pilipino. Diba guys, paumpisa pa lang gumaganda ang Pilipinas sa pamuno ni Pangulong Marcos Jr. Sus Mario Josep, kagandang balita ito guys eGov Super App and eGov DX, ganda congratulations sa atin lahat. So yun guys, ang aking pinaka latest updates video. Maraming salamat sa inyong watching. Don't forget to follow me guys and likes i-likes po natin para i-spread ni YouTube ito, kasi minsan ni mga DDS na ito mahilig mag-report. Grabe kayo, ayaw nyo talaga na gumaganda ang Pilipinas. Kasi itong mga to guys, nuknukan ng inggit ewan ko ba, ayaw nila mag-upload tayo ng mga magagandang balita kasi nauungasan kasi yung mga puon nila. Ewan ko ba, walang kasayahan sa buhay, hindi na lang sila masaya at may Pangulo tayo napakagaling mamuno. So yun guys, ang aking pinaka-upload updates upload videos updates. Maraming salamat. See you again on my next upload. Bye and baboos. God bless Philippines.